Well, I've been watching this channel for I think a couple of years. It's the Praying Couple Cooking Series. Now they do a lot more than cooking, and I'm joining in with them because they're doing a Bling fashion show, and they want everyone to join in that wants to. And I should have made this video weeks ago, and I still made it the last minute, and of course the lighting is terrible. Oh well, I don't have any more time to reshoot it, so it's going up the way it is. But this is a great channel. Go check it out. They're full of inspiration, great cooking videos. They do a lot of help and support for homeless people and helping homeless families to get back on their feet. They are a wonderful, supportive channel, and I love them. And I thought this was a great, fun challenge. Miss Bling. And you know, fashions. I love to go on cruises because you're probably going to wonder how someone as old as I am have so many blingy clothes. Well, because I'm blingy grandma. And I love to go on cruises. I love to look bling. I love pretty clothes. And I'm just crazy. And I'm married to a man that never wants to get out of Levi's. If that doesn't look funny when we're together. But I don't care. I still love my blingy clothes. And I have lots of them. Now, I just shared some of them. But keep in mind, I go on a lot of cruises. And a lot of these clothes have been bought over a period of time. And just because I'm 75 and a size 14, may look bigger in the video because got too close to the camera. But when you run a channel all by yourself and have no one to help you most of the time, you just have to make do with what you can do. And of course, I wanted to get back far enough away from the camera for you could see how pretty the clothes were. But Grandma couldn't get far enough away to make herself look thin. Like our Miss Bling. Oh my gosh, she looks fabulous in all her blingy clothes. So let's go see what Grandma did on the video and share it. So remember, just because you're 75 years old and you're a size 14 doesn't mean you can't wear a little bit of bling. I do it all the time, as you'll see in this video. If you go back and watch some of my videos, you might even see me wearing some of those clothes, because I really do wear them. Well, let's go see what Grandma wants to share. Well, I'm going to share all my beautiful blingy clothes with you. I am a size 14 and I'm 75 years old. Who says you can't look blingy at 75? And who says you can't wear it? And I'm a size 14 and I'm proud of it. You know why I'm proud of it? Because I used to be a 2X. So I figure I'm doing pretty good. We've went from a 2X to a size 14 and I'm happy about that. And as you can see, I love my blingy clothes. Bling everywhere on Grandma, on the collar of her shirt, and her blue shirt is just full of bling. And I'm wearing blue velvet pants. Oh my gosh, I love my blingy clothes. Now this one here, as you can see, is another jacket with a wonderful little tee under it. And oh my gosh, doesn't it look great? I love it. I know I'm a size 14 and I don't care. Let's live in the real world. Am I going to hide because I'm not a size 6 anymore? And I've never been a size 6. At 100 pounds, I wore a 7'8". So I feel pretty good to be back in a 14 at age 75. And I am happy about it. You can look wonderful at any age. Just don't be afraid. Well, I hope you're enjoying the blingy fashion show. And they asked that not be too long, so as you can see, we moved right along. And as you can see, I even have that blingy little scarf. Oh, bling, bling, bling. One thing Grandma loves is bling. Well, I hope you're enjoying it, and please go watch the fashion show over at Praying Couple Cooking Series and look at all the awesome creators that joined in on this blinging challenge. And even a grandma or great grandma at 75 joined in. And this is my blingy jacket. Well, coat, I guess. It isn't a jacket, it's a downright coat. What do you think of that? Oh my gosh, it really is wonderful. Fully lined, and I got it at the rack. Yes, I did. I saw that at the rack and I said, oh, I've got to have that. Because it is just a beautiful, beautiful jacket. And I love sharing it with you. And I'm glad that you enjoyed it. Fully lined. And I'm telling you, there's a lot of weight there between that dress that goes to the floor and that beautiful sequin jacket. Well, I hope you enjoyed what I had to share today. And remember, anyone can look glamorous at any age, and you don't have to be a size 6. And don't be afraid to be a little bit dramatic, because you know, Grandma always shares a little bit of dramatic, does she not? And I wanted to share with you the best I could. Filmed it all by myself and no help at all. And I thought the dress looked pretty good. Most of the time, because I'm getting pretty old, I like to wear a jacket to cover those arms. But I thought I looked still pretty good for an old broad. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for stopping by and watching. And remember, anyone can look great at any age. Don't be afraid. If you're not a size 6, get out there, enjoy your life. Don't vegetate in your home. I just wanted to share with you all the different things you can do and do with that little black dress. Oh my gosh, I had so many different ways I styled that black dress. I can take that black dress on a cruise and make it look 4 different ways for 4 different nights. Because you know, you got the big dinner every night, and I always dress up for it. And I believe that you can recreate outfits just by changing a scarf around or a shirt. The black dress is a simple black dress. I have a black jacket and a sequins jacket.